So let's first look at the page 305. And let's look at this example. This example says, in a newspaper poll concerning violence on television, 600 people were asked, what is your opinion of the amount of violence on primetime television? Do you think there is too much violence on TV show? Then they formulated this response in this table. So totally, we have 280 men surveyed, 320 women surveyed. Among the men, 162 answer yes, 95 answer no, 23 say they don't know. Among the women, 256 say yes, there is too much violence on TV show. 45 women say no, they don't think there is too much violence on TV show. 19 say they don't know. And we add this column, add these two numbers, we get the 418. And this is the number of the responses which are yes. And 140 say no. 42 say they don't know. So now we try to find the probability that the response is yes. So let's go to the whiteboard. Okay, so first, let's define the events involved in this problem. Let Y be the event, the response is yes. And be the event, the response is no. And be the response is from a man. W be the event, the response is from a woman. So first, we try to find the probability of why the event, the response is yes. So we need to get the P of y. And by definition, this is equal to n of y over n of s. And let's check the book. We know Fy is equal to 418 and Fs is equal to 600. So this is equal to 418 over 600 and approximately equal to 70%. So among all the surveyed audience, 70% think, yes, there is too much violence on the TV show. Now, if we just interested in those responses which are from a woman, then let's consider this problem again. So this time, we want to find the probability of the event that a woman responds yes. Well, this probability is equal to the number of the yes responses which are from a woman. Let's check here. Totally 256 responses are yes, and at the same time are from women. So this numerator is equal to 256. And we also need to find the number of the surveyed women. And totally we have 320 women surveyed. So we have the 320 as denominator. Then you divide, you get approximately equal to 80%. So now you compare these two probabilities, you see 80% bigger than 70%. So more women think there is too much violence on the TV show than an average audience, right? So actually, this last probability is an example of conditional probability. And this is conditional probability of why the response is yes, given that W, so under the condition that a response is from a woman. And this conditional probability is denoted by P of Y vertical bar read as given that W, the conditional probability of Y given that W. And let's look at the 256. This is number of the responses which are yes, and at the same time from women. So that should be equal to the cardinal number of Y intersection W. 320, this is number of the surveyed women. So this is equal to the cardinal number of W. The response is from women. So N of W. So now you see, in this way, we get the expression for the conditional probability. So generally,